Hey guys, Cameron Travels here, and I'm here on behalf of Globetrotting Mama. Apple gave us an iPhone 11 Pro one day early. It's out September 20th, 2019, and I'm here doing an unboxing, so let's get to it. First off, we have the Apple earphones and adapter. Then we have the USB-C cable that is new for the iPhone 11 Pro, but I think it's going to charge it faster, and I think that helps with the effect of the longer lasting battery. Well, iPhone 11 Pro. Back. With the new iPhone 11 Pro, what I love is the new Super Retina XDR display. This is a Pro display with the brightest display ever in an iPhone, and I love my phone on full brightness all the time, everywhere I go. So having this is amazing. Usually the con is that my phone will usually run out of the battery almost instantly. With the new iPhone 11 Pro, that shouldn't be a problem. This is because they took away 3D Touch. The new camera on the iPhone 11 Pro is amazing. I love the new telephoto and ultra-wide feature. Telephoto is awesome for those close-up shots like these, and ultra-wide is amazing if you want every detail in the photo. And the way it extends to get the whole image. Another thing I love about the new iPhone 11 Pro is its easy access from photo to video by pressing down on the photo button and sliding to the right. And I also love night mode. This changes the game for pictures in the dark by a long shot. I find that taking pictures in the darkness is very difficult, but Apple has found a way to make sure that all the light is being pulled into the photo when you use night mode. These were my favorite features with the new iPhone 11 Pro. Thanks to Apple for letting us get the iPhone 11 Pro one day early, and thank you to GlobetrottingMama.com for letting me do the unboxing video. I hope this may help you on if you want to buy an iPhone 11 Pro or not. I think that the iPhone 11 Pro is going to change the game drastically for videographers and photographers. And if you want to buy an iPhone 11 Pro, go to apple.ca. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.